Hello student, I am Amol Raut, Assistant Professor of BCCA Department of GS College of Commerce, Varda. I am going to teach System Analysis and Design in BCCA Part 3rd, Same 5th. Firstly, I introduce syllabus of the System Analysis and Design. In the unit first topic is system concept and the information of the system information. In this topic, the introduction, what is the system concept and the characteristics of the system, elements of the system, types of the system. The system development life cycle is the main topic of the subject of system analysis and design. In the whole system analysis and design, you are learn the development of the system development life cycle. In the system development life cycle, the stages are analysis, design, coding, testing, implementation. This is the cycle of the system development life cycle. In the whole syllabus, you are learn the analysis, how to analyze the software, design, coding, and the implementation. Then the consideration of the candidate system, prototyping, the role of the system analyst, the various types of the roles of the system analysis, then multifaceted role of the analysis, the place of the analysis in the MIS organization, in the MIS our organization, which roles are play the system analyst, rising position of the system development. This cover in the unit first. In the second unit, system analysis, system planning, how to the plan for the system, how the initial investigation for the system development analysis is done, in the how to system is developed, the basics for planning in the system analysis, initial investigation, information gathering, the various tools are used for the information gathering, structure analysis, various tools are used for the structure analysis. Feasibility study is the main important part of the system development life cycle. In the feasibility study, technical feasibility, operational feasibility, and economical feasibility, the three types of the feasibility done for the system development life cycle. Then in the third unit, system design, the process and the stages of the system design. Various types of the stages are used in the development of the system, the process of the system, various types of the design methodology used, major development activities is done, input output form, input design, output design, form design, and the file organization in the database, file structure, how to maintain the file, how to organize, database design, how to database design for the system, various roles of the database administrator maintain the data and provide the security, and various types of the operations are also performed by the database administrator. In the unit 4 is the system implementation. In the system testing and the quality assurance, why system is testing? System testing is necessary for the how the software is developed. Any types of the problems are arises is solved in the system testing. The firstly you created the test plan, quality assurance, roles of the data processing auditor. Then the last is the implementation and the software maintenance. This is the last phase of the software development life cycle. In the implementation and software maintenance, conversation, combating and resisting to change, post implementation, software maintenance, hardware and software selection, computer industry, software industry, how to maintain hardware and software, procedure for the hardware and software selection, financial consideration, how to financial consideration in the software development, use computer and the how to contract with the computer companies. This whole syllabus is covered in unit 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and the 4th. Also, you know the pattern of the system analysis and design. The time is 3 hours. RT menu pattern of the system analysis and design paper, time is 3 hours. Total mark is 80 marks. Question 1 is compulsory question for the 2 marks. In the question number 1, First two question is asked from the unit 1. First second question C and D is asked from unit 2. E and F is asked from the unit 3, and G and H is asked from the unit 4. Every question is carries 2 marks, and it is a question number 1 is compulsory question. In the question number 2, each question is carries 3 marks. 8 questions are asked. In the first, A and B is asked from the unit 1, C and D is asked from the unit 2, E and F is asked from unit 3, G and H is asked from the unit 4. And the question number 3, each question is carries 5 or 10 marks. Answer should not be more than 400 words. 5 marks questions, and the 5 marks question is right in 400 words, and the 10 marks question is right in 600 words. It's either or is options is provided. Question number 3 is A and B is asked for the 5 marks, and the question number 6 is asked for the 10 marks. Question number 4 is unit 2 is also 5 marks, and the or is 10 marks. And the same question number 5 is A and B is either or is unit 3, and or is also for 10 marks unit 3. Question number 6 is also either or A and B, and the unit 4 asked from the unit 4. A and B is 5 marks, and or is 10 marks. This is the pattern of the system analysis and design. This is the RT menu pattern of the 80 marks, and the time duration is 3 hours. Firstly, you know what is the system. The system means organized relationship among the functioning units or components. System exists because it is designed to achieve one or more objective. When every time when a system is designed to one goal or the objective, when every time a system is designed for make any office related software, any government related software, any banking related software, system is achieve the one goal or the objective. System, it is an orderly grouping of interdependent components linked together according to the plan and to achieve a specific objective. The word component may refer to the physical part, manager, step, subsystem in a multi-level structure, and the component may be simple or complex, basics or advanced. System is defined as a set of elements arranged in an orderly manner to accomplish an objective. System is not randomly arranged set, it is arranged with some logic governed by the rules, regulation, principles, and the policies. This is the introductory session of the subject of system analysis and design. And what is system? Here is the close the first session. In the next session, you learn the characteristics of the system.